What's going on, guys? It's Mossy, or otherwise aka known as Cybex Trades, and today we're just going to do a quick simple review breakdown of my Netflix trade that I took today. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I usually mainly trade SPY, but today and yesterday have been pretty choppy here, price action wise, and not a lot of great volume or opportunities, which is basically what I mainly trade is SPY and QQQ. But now I'm just focusing on it, as well as moving into individual names as well. But one of the reasons why, breaking down the Netflix trade today, one of the reasons why was I had this on watch list was since yesterday was this 330 key level here. I didn't trade it yesterday because I wasn't watching it. I just well, I had it on watch list, but I missed took the trade here on the 325 level. But one of the reasons I had it on watch list still today was that as you can see, this 330 level here that I have. Has multiple touches here as resistance, then broke out, came back, broke it again, then resistance again, and then came back here, rounded, resistance again, and then so yeah, overall, basically the point is multiple touches of resistance and support. And then we saw yesterday on Monday where it had really strong price action in terms of previous past couple of days for Netflix here, where it just had a straight green 4-hour candle, and even going to the 1 hour. Very strong overall green candles, as you can see here, with almost no pullbacks at all, and decent volume as well. So for me, when I looked at this 330 level and we closed yesterday above it, my game plan was that I was going to watch it for a this is one of my strategies that I've learned, or one of my strategies. Yeah, that's one of the strategies that I've learned. Basically, is day one strong momentum, and day two continuation. So 330 level, I was looking here for a bounce here, as we can see. Right off the pre-market, we kind of went below it, but then right before the market opened, like 5 minutes before the market opened here, it came right above the 330 level. And if we go into the small time frame here, it opened right off here after 330.5, went up, came back here, had a little bit of profit taking, probably institutions or buyers. But anyway, as it was coming down here, I noticed that we were holding this 330 level nicely. I saw some bottom wicks here, so as you guys can see these wicks here, I saw that it was holding nicely, and I was also watching level 2 and tape as well as these EMAs that I like to use, which is the VWAP and the VWAP and the 9 EMA and the 21. So I was using mainly the 5-minute and 1-minute time frame. As a quick trade, only lasted about, I would say, 3-4 minutes. And yeah, so I saw this here. I was actually not using volume at all. Didn't even have it up, but I just saw that it was really good. And here in the 5-minute candle here, I waited for confirmation to close above this. So I first saw this one close, and I noticed that it kind of faked everyone out, I'm pretty sure. And then this one, I'm pretty sure, faked everyone out as well. The people that were actually gonna try to trade this. And I learned from my mistakes, so I wait for this to actually close. And I noticed that this one is closing. Right when this one closed, I entered about. Let's go back to the first 1-minute time frame. So I entered about right here. So I noticed that it was holding the went above 9 EMA, and then went above the 21 EMA. And as it was going here, came onto the pushed through the VWAP here, held it. I entered right here at 651 with 2 contracts here. I was actually so yeah. Anyway, I was actually holding this for about, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes here. Took one contract off because I checked my P&L and I was not actually expecting these premiums to move that much in terms of P&L wise, which netted me 119 for the day, which is really awesome. It's 11% of my account for growing a small account. But yeah, netted me about 11%, and I actually saw that it was still holding the EMAs very nicely here. Had a small pullback here. I should have entered here, but I wasn't really too, I would say, especially with SPY, how I was acting up, wasn't too confident. But then again, this is on my end. Either way, I was up a lot, so that's why I trimmed. I was up a lot actually. So yeah, and then I entered actually back with another contract. I left one contract and then I entered again with another contract, so back to 2 now. And as soon as we made, I believe I was like right here, we kind of went like right here, moved a little bit up. Price moved a little bit up, and I sold right here, right as it was about to take off. So if you can see right here, this little circle that I made here, and I sold right here, and it went boom. So premiums went to, I got out at 214, entered at 158 for the premium, and I got at 214. And this actually went to, I believe, 240 for each contract for a premium. But overall, very nice trade here, simple, nothing too crazy here. using just the key level and yesterday's strength, identifying momentum, and also saw that also seeing price action hold and how it reacted to this level, as well as combination of the VWAP and the 921 EMA. And yeah, this is the first video of more trade recaps to come in the future. Just thought I would share my journey and document the process, start documenting the process of trading and everything involved with it, psychology, risk management, and bunch of more stuff. So yeah, hope this helped you guys get a understanding of how the trade went and how my trading personally works. But other than that, thank you, and yeah,